Hello everyone, I am Anubhav Chaudhary and I'm the group leader of Team Into Overflow from IIIT Bhubaneswar. First of all, we are very thankful to Team Optum for organizing this wonderful event, Statathon Season 3. Now, the solution that we came up to the problem statement that was given to us is called Medico. So, what is Medico? Medico is an app to remember all your medicines and medicals. So what that means is it would help the patient and the doctor and also the insurance companies to lessen the cases of medical inadherence. So what you can do is just go to this URL https://medico.diprof447.tech and click on this icon which says install Medico and just install it. This would install the application as a native application on your device. Again, going to this URL and then clicking on add Medico to home screen. This would pop up this alert and you can click on install, and that would install the application natively on your device. It would start showing up here soon. Yeah, it's showing. So this is the application and it works the same from onward from here also. So now let's talk about some analytics. So we have hosted analytics on our about page, and the data that was given to us wasn't real. It was generated from a simulation software. So the charts that we came up to are, so the first one is the impact of various ethnic groups, and this bar graph basically shows which ethnic groups contribute most and which contributes the least, and the most being are others and the least are blacks. Then the next chart shows which ages contribute the most. So the ages from almost 18 to 35 are contributing the most, and the peak being at 28. Next is which cities in USA are having the highest contributors. So everyone is again contributing the same, but surprisingly Boston has the highest number of contributors with almost half of its population being medically inadherent. And lastly, the gender. So as you can see, women are more susceptible to leave their medications early as compared to men. Nextly, let's just see what this app is all about. This is an app that is designed for both patients and doctor, as I've already said, and it helps lower the possibility of medical inadherence, which is one of the main reasons behind not getting well even after the full treatment. So what this app does is it reminds you of any upcoming schedules or medications and rewards you accordingly. So let's see in detail how it does that. So first of all, you are going to create an account here. Then your doctor's account would also be here, and he or she can easily find you and see all your medical history. So what benefit it provides is that the doctor can easily see all your medical history without any hassle, and then prescribe something calculated, so it would lower the chance of any drug duplication or any unwanted side effect. Nextly, the prescription and the appointments that were added by the doctor would automatically show up on your home screen. So what you can do is just confirm your medical intake or upload your medical bills, which by the way would automatically get to the insurance companies, so you don't have to submit them manually to them. And in the return of this activity, you would earn some points. So later on, you can easily redeem these points to enjoy medical benefits and some insurance benefits also. So let's get started. sign up. So as we have already created some patients, we are going to see them first. So one of them is called Michael, and the password is abc123. And actually this abc123 password is a dummy password that we have given to all our patients and doctors, so that jury team can easily test this app. So this is the page that would load up on from the patient's perspective, and this section would basically give the score that you currently have. And next section, this upcoming medication section, would show up what medicines you have to take in what time. Like the cetirizine medicine, you have to take 1 unit in 1 hour. So what you can do is just click on this, and that the score would automatically be added to your purse wallet, and the medicine would automatically go out. Nextly, it would also show all the upcoming appointments that you might have and what is the time. And you can also upload your bills here simply. And lastly, we are using push notifications and email notifications to remind the patients of any upcoming appointments or medications. So you can either turn them on or off using the settings bar, and also before what time we should notify you. You can adjust that from here also. Nextly, let's try and log in with doctor credential. So one doctor that we created is called Patrick, and the password is same abc123. So are you a doctor? Also you can just sign up here also, but we're going to just sign in for now. You can create new users from that page. So this is the default page that a doctor would get. He or she can find all his patients from here, like as we have seen, Michael is one of them, so we can just click on Michael and find all details about him. So this is the patient's history and all the ongoing medications that he's having. So it would show what medicines he's taking and what quantity and at what period. Nextly, the doctor can also add new medications from here only. Like if he wants to add let's say cough syrups, and let's say the dosage is 2 drops and every 24 hours, so he can add that from here, and that would already start showing up in the Michael's ongoing medication. See, cough syrup. And also the doctor can add any appointments. So if he wants to set an appointment for let's say 2022 January the 1st at let's say 12 in the noon. So he can just click on this, and that would be added to patient's schedule. And lastly, the doctor can confirm any recent visits by the patient, so that the patient can get the relevant credits.